Good morning, students. This is IK Misra again came here with taking a video for class 7 of chapter 5 of RSL book, chapter name Rational Number. Students, in the previous videos, that was part 2, I discussed about how you will represent the rational number on number line. In this video, I will discuss here some terms like first comparison of rational numbers, arrangement of rational numbers, and find n rational numbers between two given rational numbers. That means here we have to study first comparison of two rational numbers. That means how will you compare two rational numbers, that is smaller, that is greater. Students, I think you have already studied the chapter fraction, and in fraction you have studied how you compare the fraction, that means which is greater or smaller. If you have two rational number is given, then you can compare the rational numbers by doing cross multiplication. I think you know the concept of cross multiplication that was studied in fraction chapter. Now review the method. Here suppose I have given two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Here two rational numbers are given and we have to compare which rational number is greater or smaller. First of all observe here two rational numbers are having same sign. Here both have positive sign. If any rational number having negative sign, that means negative sign rational number is always less than positive sign rational number. That means negative rational numbers is always smaller than positive rational numbers. If you have to compare, suppose you have to compare minus 1 by 2 and 1. 1 is also a rational number. And if you have to compare minus 1 by 2 and 1, then clearly minus 1 by 2 is less than 1. But if two positive rational number or two negative rational number, we have to compare which is a smaller and which is larger, then we have to follow the rule cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means first multiply 2 and 4 and write left side, this step and this step. Here write 8 and here 3. Here 8 is greater than 3. That means 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. When you have to compare two rational numbers having same sign, this type of method can you apply. Second example, here I write minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 5, and you have to compare which is larger and which is smaller. So students, when you do cross multiplication, because here both having negative sign, that means both are negative rational numbers, so you have to do multiply this number and this rational number. When you multiply, it will get minus 5 and it will get minus 6. Here minus 3 and minus 5. Here observe this rational number is greater and this is smaller. That means here minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 5. Students, clear? Here first term comparison of rational number is completed. Comparison of two rational numbers are completed, but you have to arrange some rational numbers in ascending or descending order. Suppose you have to arrange 1 by 3, 4 by 5, 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7, 3 by 5, and this we have to arrange. First of all, do LCM of all these numerators. Again, if you observe its denominator is negative, then first of all do its denominator positive by multiplying minus 1 in numerator and denominator both. That means you have to first change the rational numbers into a standard form. After that, find LCM of 3, 5, 3, 2, 5. All these denominators. When you find its LCM, LCM is equal to 30. LCM be 30. After that, write for each rational number denominator be 30. Here 30, here 30, here 30, and here 30. And if you divide it, LCM 10 times and 10 multiply 1, that means here 10, here if you divide it by 6 times and multiply 24, here if you divide it by 3, get 10 and multiply 10 to 20. If you divide it by 15 times and get 15 minus 15, and here if you divide by 6 times and multiply minus 18. Observe here, this minus 18 is a smallest in all of these because it has minus sign, and minus 18 is smaller than minus 15. So first of all, this is the smallest. So its equivalent rational number, its rational number is minus 3 by 5. If you have to arrange this number, arrange the given rational number in ascending order. When we have to arrange it in descending order, then first of all write greatest number in first. We have to arrange here in ascending order, that means we have to first write the smallest number. Here the smallest number is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Here, after that, this is number minus 1 by 2. After that, here 10 by 13, that means it's 1 by 3. After that, 20 by 30, and 20 by 30 means 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and after that 24 by 30, that means 4 by 5. Students, you can give the symbol here. It is the smallest, so you can give this symbol. This is the smallest, smaller than this rational number, and you can put this same. This arrangement is in ascending order of the number. Students, after that we will know second term, third. Find n rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Students, suppose we have to find 5 rational number between, here find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers between two given rational numbers. For finding n rational numbers, first of all observe the denominators of the given rational numbers. Here both having same denominator 5. That means first of all write here, you can write 3 by 5 its equivalent rational number, like we may here write, we may write 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into, here you know, find equivalent rational numbers multiplying its numerator and denominator by any rational numbers. So when you have to find 5 rational number, then first of all do both denominator same. Here already denominators are given 5 same, so we have first process 3 by 5 into multiply n plus 1 rational number. When you have to find n rational number, find n rational number, multiply by n plus 1. That means n plus 1 means if we have to find here 5 rational number, that means we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. N plus 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, is equal to here 18 and by 30. Here its equivalent rational number is 18 by 30. Again write 2 by 5 is equal to, again write 2 by 5 into 6 into 6, numerator and denominator both multiplied by 6, is equal to 12, is equal to 12 by 30. Here observe, we have to write rational numbers between these given rational numbers. Here you may write required rational number B between these two rational numbers. Required rational number B here more than 12 and more less than 18. That means you can write 13 by 30, 14 by 30, 15 by 30, 16 by 30 and 17 by 30. Here your all required numbers are given, found. That means similarly you can solve any problems and any type of questions. Now I am going to deal next question. Here suppose you have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. Also you can do that process here. First of all do its denominator same, and you know its denominator be same. When find you its LCM, its LCM is 20, so we may write 3 by 4 is equal to, first of all write its LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. So first of all do its denominator 20. That means 20 is equal to, when denominator be 20, then you multiply it in 5, then it will be 15. And after that 15 by 20 is multiplied by, here we have to find 6 rational number, that means multiply by 7, and is equal to here 140 and 105. Here similarly you can write 2 by 5, again 2 by 5 is equal to First of all, write its denominator 20 and in above in numerator here 4 multiplied, that means 8, and is equal to 8 by 20 into 7 into 7 is equal to here 56 and 140. Observe, both having same denominator. After that, you may write its any 7 rational numbers. Suppose required rational number B. You write any rational numbers between whose numerator is 56, more than 56 and less than 105, but and denominator be 140. That means you may write 57 by 140, 58 by 140, 60 by 140, 63 by 140, 99 by 140, 95 by 140, 97 by 140, and as you wish, you may write rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. Students, notice a very important things. How many rational numbers can you find between two given rational numbers? Students, you can find infinity number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers, because a line formed by infinity number of points and each point represent rational numbers. So you can find infinity number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Here these are the process to find the rational numbers, n rational numbers between two given rational numbers. If you have to find one rational numbers between two given rational numbers a and b, suppose here students, here two rational numbers a and b, a by b and c by d, and we have to find a rational number, between given rational number. Friends, we have to find one rational number, and if you have to find one rational number between two given rational numbers, then use this formula 1 by 2 a by b plus c by d. Here this is the formula for find one rational number between two given rational numbers, and this rational number is the middlemost rational number of the given two rational numbers. Suppose we have to find a rational number between 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. Here two rational numbers are given, and we have to find one rational number between these two given rational numbers. Then we use required rational number. Required rational number is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2 into, if you add it, LCM is equal to 10, and this is the 6 plus 7. That means 1 by 2 into here 13 by 10 is equal to, when you multiply 2, 13 by 20. So required rational number is equal to 13 by 20. This is the required rational number. Students, here I completed all these points in this video lecture. First of all, comparison of rational numbers, arrangement of rational numbers, and find n rational numbers between two given rational numbers. After complete watching these videos, I think you complete your exercise of RS Agarwal book, exercise 5B. So again, students, if any problem, then contact me. Thank you. That's all.